How to organize files or content with Walmart, shopping, and grocery. Now, to organize files and content, like based on however you want to organize them within Walmart, the first we'll get started with search. So let's say I want to search for something. We can organize this search in a way that we can only categorize based on our needs. So if you want in-store, select in-store. You can choose a price range. You can choose a brand. You can choose the fulfillment speed that you want to, and then you can just apply the changes to be able to see all of the best options. The second thing, we can organize the products that we might want to buy but we are not choosing to buy now, is we can simply create a wish list. So click on my items from the top right and go to the option called list, and here we can simply create a new list by clicking on create a new list option and create it, or we can create a wish list itself. So we can click on create wish list and click on the continue button, and we can add any products that we want to buy to our wish list and organize them for that matter. And hopefully this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.